Hi all, welcome to the tutorial. In this tutorial, we will explore the additional features of Edit Design. Let's select a photo. We will directly go to the Edit Design view. We have an empty design here. Let's add a shape. Touch the plus button to show the shapes. Touch the filter button to display a list of filters. We will pick the cities filter. The shapes in this filter will be displayed. Select New York skyline. Let's add one more shape. Touch the next button to load the next filter, or previous button to load the previous filter. Touch the filter button to view the list. I will select the music filter and add the headphone shape. Adjust it so that it goes well with the design. Let's add a music note also. We will place the note in the top left corner. See how the missing pieces are drawn in the other corners? This is because it is in wallpaper mode. If I tile this now, you can see how it looks complete and continuous. If I go to normal mode, the missing pieces in the other corners will not show. Tiling it will make the design look incomplete. Go back to wallpaper mode and delete the music note. This is the design I like. I can save this design by touching the Save button. I can also touch the Share button to share it in social media. Email it or message someone. That is all for now. We will cover other features in the next video.